Look at all these damn keys. It's just unruly, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, here's a quick video, and I'm pretty excited about this unboxing. I'm feeling better, so I'm back in the swing of things. So this product has been following me around, like social media, like Instagram. You ever see those Instagram ads that pop up with pretty attractive images and then they're selling you something? I'm like a sucker for that. I am a sucker for marketing. But anyway, KeySmart.
KeySmart
is a way to organize your keys in this slim little receptacle, if you will, that you just throw in your pocket. But there's added benefits to this KeySmart. They've come up with a version that has tile. So if you don't know what tile is, if you lose your keys, if you lose your phone, if you lose things, you can put a little sensor, for lack of a better term, that you can add to an app in your phone that'll tell you where that device or your keys or item is. Tile. So I've been looking at KeySmart for a long time because I wanted to neaten up my rat's nest of keys. Some of them I don't even know what they're keys for. This holder right here holds up to, I believe it's 14 keys. It has, I believe, a can opener on it, a light. So when you get to like a dark space and you don't have a flashlight and you're trying to get the key. So it's a functional little tool. To add, it comes now in camo. And it has tile. So I'll do a quick unboxing to show you what it is. And then I'll do a full review where I'll take the keys out of my rat's nest of keys and I'll add it to this keychain. KeySmart. But camo with tile, it pushed me over the edge, guys. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out on Amazon yourself. And it'll send it right to you. Camo is what pushed me over the edge, guys. All right, so you have your instruction manual here. Nicely done. It shows you what's in it and the bottle opener. The micro USB cable that allows you to charge the light. Spacers for keys. Shows you how to insert the keys, and it talks about tile, and that's where you would charge it to keep your flashlight and obviously the Bluetooth device for tile powered up. All right, so let's take a look in the kit itself. Here is said, I'm gonna call it the Smart Keychain. And it's nice, look at that, guys, camo. You gotta love that, and camo. Who doesn't love camo? All right. There's your tile. Little tile logo. And this is the port right here, the USB port. Little micro USB port there. It's light, as you would want it to be. Feels durable. Here's your bottle opener. So guys, I'm really excited to see what KeySmart does to this rat's nest of keys. Look at all these damn keys. Just unruly, guys. Look at that. All different types of keys. They should go neatly into KeySmart, or at least that's what the marketing says. So link below, you can check it out for yourself. If you've liked me and you've been watching this for a while, I'm telling you guys now it's in camo and it has tile. So your keys are never lost. Not to mention, your phone will never be lost. Because when you add the app and you use KeySmart, it's sort of reciprocal. You can not only search for your keys, but you can search for your cell phone if you have your keys. If you lose them both, you're in trouble. Okay, so link below. Check back in a few days for my full review where I'll actually take keys from my rat's nest and load them up onto the KeySmart keychain. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow, because the cold is gone. I'm back and better than ever. And I still have this beard going. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Just unruly, guys. Look at that. Look at all these damn keys. All right?